Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay HSBC credit card bill online. First, open your web browser or open the HSBC app on your mobile. Once you are logged in, look for the section called Credit Cards or Pay Bills. This is usually available on the main menu or within your account overview page. Click on that option to continue. You will now see a list of your credit cards linked to your account. Select the credit card for which you want to make the payment. Next, enter the payment amount. You will typically have options like minimum payment, total outstanding balance, or another amount. Choose the option that suits your needs, or manually type the amount you want to pay. After entering the amount, review all the details carefully. Make sure the selected card and payment amount are correct. Then, confirm the payment. Depending on your bank settings, you may be asked to verify the transaction using a one-time password or security code. Once confirmed, your payment will be processed and you should see a confirmation message on the screen. Thanks for watching.